Hi, welcome back to our channel NewLook. Today I am going to show how to do facial at home using raw milk. Raw milk is an instant and fastest way to lighten your facial skin or any other parts of your body naturally. It is one of the most nutrient-rich foods in the world and is packed with proteins, enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and lactic acid that works effectively for lightening the skin. Raw milk contains a high amount of saturated fats that relieves skin dryness, and lactic acid in milk results in a lighter complexion. This ingredient works perfectly for whitening and softening skin. Now getting into the process, for this face mask, 4 steps. The first step is cleansing, and the second one is scrubbing, the third is face massage, and the final one is a face mask. For face cleansing, you need milk, just take a cotton ball, dip into the milk and clean your face with this milk. It removes all the dirt from your skin because you go outside, parties, you wear makeup, the pollution on the roads will all stick it to your face. This raw milk cleanser removes all those dirt particles from the skin. Take another cotton ball and clean the milk from the face. See, you can see the dirt here. This raw milk removes all the dirt from your face. The second step is scrubbing. For this you need a little amount of milk and red lentils. Blend these lentils and make a fine powder like this. I have already blended. I'm having now the powder. You can see. Yes, so now by using these two ingredients, prepare scrub. Take a bowl, add a tablespoon of this red lentils powder and raw milk. Make a paste. So you can see the paste. Mix those two thoroughly. And apply this paste on your face. And massage. This removes all the thin pimples, blackheads and whiteheads on your face. Massage thoroughly at your nose area and the lower chin.